Welcome back to Push Network Academy. Today we are going to explore median deviation. This measure of dispersion helps us to understand how spread out a data set which is from its median value. So let's dive into an example. So example is given here and observations are also given. Now observations are not sorted either in ascending order or not in descending order. So you have to sort. So when you will arrange the data, you will get data like this. So it is arranged. Now what will you do? You have to first of all try to draw all the data on number line so that you will have an idea that how data is spread out. So just I am plotting it. So if you plot, so you will get data like this. 150, 210 and 240, 300. I have colored it with red because this is a median I have plotted and median of this distribution is 300. So let us see that 310, 20 and 40. So if you plot, so see that if you plot a number line, so you will have some estimate about your data that how it is spread out. If bubbles are very closer, so there is less median deviation. So see that here I am explaining here median deviation, mean deviation I explained in the last video, and not only mean deviation, median deviation can also be calculated. So once we have plotted, median is 300 and it is resided here. So we will see that. So median is 300 here. Now let us move to calculate median deviation. So here observations are 340, 150, 210, 240, 300, 310 and 320, and corresponding deviations you can see that. So you will subtract 300 from each observation and you will get the following. Now see that here formula of median deviation is that 1 upon n summation over I from 1 to n, and basically this is the sum of all deviations here. All deviations, sum of all deviations are here. So what will you do? Just sum all the deviations and divide it by number of observations. In our case that is 7. So let us see that. So here 1 upon 7 and sum of all deviations, that is 52.8. So sum of all deviations upon 7. So median deviation would be 1 upon 7, 1, 370. So the same expression I have written. So that would be equal to 1 upon 7, 370, and finally it would be 52.8. And this is the mean deviation. That if numbers are more closer, median deviation, because usually we use uh, mean deviation, so that's why. So if numbers will get closer to 300, so mean deviation would be less. If this bubble comes here, this comes here or somewhere else, like this one, and the extreme one here, if it comes here, so that will median median deviation would be less. So this was about median deviation. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching the video.